We have all changed our daily routine.
And we're all taking the necessary steps to tackle the outbreak of the coronavirus.
And this means we're spending a lot of time at home.
Which in turn means you're not able to go to the gym, your art class, or your favourite hobby.
We want to see how you guys are staying active while staying indoors.
It could be anything. It could be from, painting, cooking, even be playing an instrument, the piano.
Post your videos online and make sure to include the hashtag Nissan Active Challenge and nominate some friends and families to do the same. Nissan will donate €5 to Feed the Heroes for every video uploaded.
Feed the Heroes provide necessary meals to frontline medical staff who are risking their own lives so we can live ours.
The best video entry will even win a weekend away once it's safe to venture back out into the world again.
So come on and get sharing.
Remember, use the hashtag Nissan Active Challenge and together we will help our frontline medical staff.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
The hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.
Hashtag Nissan Active Challenge.